bitch, now stand up and ride. I only thought you out so I could beat your ass a second time. Roar like Chewbacca, the voice of Mufasa. I'm on the leader of your lip, you Mufasa. I strike back hard against a Nazi. Brain toss your ass in the air, Yahtzee. Ask Indiana Jones who the fuck I am. I spit sick shit so focused I break your concentration camp. I'm a certified Sith Lord, you runt, so suck on these.
These what, sir?
These robot nuts. I'm gonna enjoy watching you die, so let me do it, get my food.
You look stressed, Vader! You appear to be in pain! You need a vacation. Here, take a trip on my tray! I mean, you needing an army of white men? Disgraceful! Even your mic skills still aren't fully operational! You got white bitch pregnant and gave into the hate! Now you're 6'6" in black but can't get a date! Ugh, lightsaber! You need a lifesaver! Use some of your force to fix your fucking respirator! You think you're powerful with your finger that pinches? You couldn't even get your own son into the family business! Everything you do is an epic fail! Now stand at attention and think fucking hair! What's wrong, Annie? Can't take anymore? Not surprising coming from the Emperor's whore! Yeah, take that! What's the matter? Where is the DJ? Why are you laughing?
Because you're standing over the rank orbit.
Hold on! Hold down!